guys, it's Graham. I'm back. I'm here with Mario from Daily Direct Motorcycle Transport. So Mario, tell me the scoop on this. I know I've rode with you guys in the past, or didn't ride. You guys trailered my bike down to Daytona in the past, and I loved it. It's a great company and worked really well for me. But so what's the scoop?
Thank you for that. Well, the scoop is we like to start off by saying it's who we are, it's what we do, and this rings very true for our entire company. Everybody in our company is avid motorcyclists, they're riders, they're out there participating in the same things you are. As a matter of fact, we're going to be leaving, we're going to be going on the Fireman EMS ride. Shannon Cal from Count Customs and I are honorary captains for that. So we do just what we say. This is very important when it comes to our drivers. Our drivers are all bikers. Got to have a CDL, a couple of years of over-the-road experience, and then have to be an avid biker, because we like to say we don't move freight, we move motorcycles. If somebody looks at it as freight, that's a problem. They have to look at it as a motorcycle, understand what it is to have your own baby and everything else. So we do a number of different services. Some people know us as haul bikes, and haul bikes is really our commercial entity, what we do for Harley Davidson, Triumph, Indian, things like that. We also do consumers, and so we do everybody. It may be a transaction on eBay and you need to get the bike to you. Maybe you found a bike through one of the other avenues from a dealer or something like that, need to get it shipped to you. But the big thing we're seeing now, and we've really got some really cool trends happening, is that a lot of people are using our service to get to rallies. People don't have the time to, say, go to Sturgis and take an extra week's of vacation. They want to be able to enjoy Sturgis, enjoy the rides and do the things that are out there, you know, ride the needle, do whatever it takes, all right? So we are shipping a lot of bikes out there for people. You can ship an individual bike, but we've also got people now, like House of Harley next year is going to ship out a whole truck with people that are their clients. And so they're going to send a truck out. So you can even book a whole truck with us to take out to Sturgis, Daytona, any of those things. Another really cool thing we've seen is people originating the rides from different locations, say, to go to Sturgis. So we had people that we sent their bikes to Seattle, Washington, and then they rode to Sturgis. Rather than riding from Milwaukee or Cleveland, Ohio, or upper state New York or whatever, they can originate a ride from somewhere else. And so that's something to really give some thought to. We can help you do that and allow you to have a whole different experience of traveling to Sturgis or Daytona or anything like that.
You know, I've done the fly and ride program in the past, and there's nothing like having your own bike, and that's what you guys provide. I can have my bike at the spot I want it, pick it up, and I'm ready to roll and drop it right back off with you.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. People really enjoyed it. I'm using Sturgis because we just returned from Sturgis, but we had trucks in Rapid City, we had trucks out at the Buffalo Chip. People were able to go pick up their bike, go enjoy it, and turn their bike back in. Loved it, loved it. And if you know anybody, you're a truck driver and you're also an avid biker and stuff, we're always usually looking for people to add. We're growing fast. We have a lot of dedicated lines that are going to be coming on, and expansion is there.
And I know I spent time out in Vegas quite a bit, doing a couple different things, and I've seen your trucks out at the South Point Casino, and I'm a big fan. I watch a show called Mecum Auto Auctions. I don't know if you guys have seen it before. I'm usually salivating watching some of these bikes, and you guys haul those bikes too?
Yeah, we sure do. Last year we took out almost 1,000 bikes to get sent out to people around the country, and it's a lot of fun because our guys might be transporting a 1911 Indian or one of Steve McQueen's old bikes or something like that. The end clients are some amazing people. There's some wonderful collectors out there in the world, and our drivers get to meet them. We've delivered things to Jay Leno, Willie Nelson, and celebrities like that, so you never know who you're going to get to meet when you're out there dealing with these people. And another thing, and I just want to bring up the Flitz product. Your product is a great product. I mean, you guys have been kind enough to help us with that product.
Hey, thank you for letting us be part of that.
Cleaning up, you know, we got Shannon Cal from Count Customs. You guys really hooked him up and everything else. But I got to tell you, as a bike owner and owning some cars that are classic and stuff, nothing better than a quality product like what you provide.
Thank you so much.
I hope people will take that opportunity with our recommendation of take a look at that product and use that product. I think you'll be more than happy.
That's awesome. Thank you. Guys, I gotta show you something. You look at this trailer and you've seen semi trucks on the road before. You know, it's a semi truck, but you gotta see the inside of one of these. Take a look at this, come on.
Yeah, so, and one of the things just to keep in mind here, we are a roll-on, roll-off service. So these bikes don't get started, all right? We roll them on, we roll them off, we do not crate them, we do not drain fluids, we don't disconnect the battery. When it comes off, it's ready to rock and roll. So yeah, come take a look at what we got here. So what we have here is we have a double-decker NASCAR trailer, all right? All these bikes are hand-loaded by very, very experienced riders. We keep the trailers clean, we keep them neat, we keep them in tip-top shape. Our drivers take a lot of pride in what they drive, how they look out there, and how they're perceived.
Hey, thanks so much, Mario, for sharing a little story on your trailers and your company, and most of all, the kind words to the friends over at Flitz.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. All right.
Thanks. Take it easy.